Well, there they are, the start of the 111th Tour de France. I was about to say, Bob, there's been no attacks, but now we've got one.
Didn't take very long. Riders already trying to get off the front. This could be a long and difficult scramble to find the breakaway. The breakaway don't oftentimes stay on the first stage of the Tour de France, has a chance to succeed.
And we're looking at the winner of the Tour de France for the past 2 years, Jonas Vingegaard, and he has just had a mechanical, but he's coming back through the cars at quite a speed here to rejoin peloton. It looked like a bike change, and it was indeed a bike change. Well, that's a bit of a rough start for last year's winner.
Looking like a bit of a uniform malfunction as well. First climb of the day, category 2, 5, 3, 2, and 1 points up for grabs.
Yep. First 4 over the top, and obviously the winner will be the first leader in the King of the Mountains for the moment. But there are 6 more climbs to come ahead of the race today in the Apennines. This is our start. Now, what's going on here? This is Cavendish slipping away from the. Now, this is the first climb of the day, and Cavendish seems to be in more than a spot of bother here. He's got a teammate trying to come back to him. Now, Cav expects trouble in the climbs, and he's a very, very intelligent rider, but this is early on the climb. He's still 4 kilometers, more than 2 miles to go, Bob.
This is a worst case scenario for Mark Cavendish, trying to win 35. And this is the first climb of the Tour on a hot day. It's as far from Mark's wheelhouse as imaginable. Michael Morkov is back there, and it's when you're the first guy dropped from the peloton, does not bode well for the rest of the stage and the rest of the Tour. If it's something more than just getting a little bit of the race rhythm going for Mark Cavendish, the next couple of climbs will be very difficult, but then the 4th and the 5th climb, don't see him being able to match the tempo or catch up before the finish. The last 4 climbs coming in quick succession before the final 15 miles to the finish line in Rimini.
Now, this is the first climb in the King of the Mountains. There are the points for you over the top for that polka dot jersey, which will be presented for the first time tonight in Rimini. 5, 3, 2, 1. 4 places only over the top. And it looks as though Gibbons is going to give it a go now. But coming up on the outside, we've got Madouas.
Izagirre is going. He's on the red jersey, white helmet. And Madouas on his wheel around the next corner are the points. Izagirre getting the better.